What's up guys, it's Kato here, back at it again with another unboxing video, and today I'm unboxing my CyberPowerPC. This one is a Intel Core i5-9400F, 8GB DDR4 memory, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660, 6GB, 240GB SSD, 1TB hard drive. I just wanted one that was going to run the games I want to play. I'm eventually going to upgrade all sorts of stuff in here, power supply, the GTX, GeForce, all that stuff, you know. I'm going to upgrade a bunch of stuff in here. That's why I wanted one that was the tempered glass so that I could see inside of it, see exactly what I want to replace after. I'm definitely going to upgrade my RAM soon, but let's just get right into unboxing this. I don't know how I want to take this out because I don't want to damage anything. So right off the bat, it comes with a mouse, Elite M1-131 gaming mouse, CyberPowerPC. Let's just put that down. I'm definitely going to use that mouse because the mouse I have is from like an old Lenovo. I don't really care about mouses that much. I think I said that in my keyboard review, but I think this might come with a keyboard too. Yeah, I'm definitely going to use that mouse. What is this? Free gaming mouse pad when you register, so I'm going to register. Why not? Free gift when you share a review. Free $10 gift card. Oh, I can post a review and a screenshot on the computer, and it seems I get a $10 gift card for who knows what, maybe Amazon? I bought this on Amazon. It was like $1,200 after taxes. Read this first. Quick start guide, so maybe I should read this first. I don't know. Let's keep going into this. Seems there's a disc with this. I hope I don't have to do all that, but I think I might have to. What are these? What are these? I don't know anything about computers, dude. I don't know what these are. A disc. Driver DVD. What is this thing? A remote? Oh man, I really hope this is for the RGB lights in here on the fans. Seems like the power cord. Cool little CyberPower gaming keyboard in here. I already got my gaming keyboard, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Might give it away, might just hold it down in case I have any problems, but seems pretty cool. The WASD are red, the arrow keys are red, it has little quick access multimedia keys. Still going to keep my keyboard. I'll just put this with the box from the old one. I'm just going to pull this out and hopefully I don't mess anything up. Stand it upright. Let's take this plastic off. Screws are really smooth too. No. Why every video do I mess something up so bad? Hopefully everything's okay. I just adjusted my camera and then came back and dropped the whole piece of tempered glass. How do you carefully remove something like this? It's in there so tight. Okay. That wasn't that crazy. I'm going to need to take note of this RAM, because I'm going to need to get the match for it. What I thought was going to be an MSI motherboard ended up being a CyberPowerPC motherboard, which is a bit of a disappointment because in the picture they convince you it's MSI, so whatever, I guess we can deal with that, but I'm just hoping everything runs smooth. You know what is MSI though? This GTX 1660. It says MSI GeForce GTX 1660, so at least we got something MSI in here. Okay, it says to inspect all the cables to ensure nothing was disconnected during the shipping. I think everything's good to go. Everything's in here nice, the RAM's in there super tight. Everything's in here nice. I think we're alright. This is a weird, it doesn't match up with the instructions they're giving me, so I don't understand. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the glass back on and just hope for the best, dude. I think this is tight enough. I think that's good. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this thing in and hope for the best, bro. I'm not even gonna be able to look inside my computer from here, which is disappointing because I wanted to see all the stuff glow up on the inside, which I'm not going to be able to. I'm gonna plug the HDMI in. I'm gonna get rid of this laptop because, you know, I'm not gonna need it anymore. So the mouse looks pretty decent. I'm not too worried about a mouse right now. It's got a bunch of buttons on the side. Set my macros. Looks like it's got DPI buttons on the top. So hopefully this does me good. I'm going to just rewire and figure out everything once I have everything set up. I figured out that I can kind of string my wires underneath the keyboard slider here, and then around the back panel and into my computer, so that's fine. I don't need to drill a hole for now. I'm going to plug this computer in. Wait, was that the computer cord? I just replugged my laptop cord in again. My computer's now plugged in. There's more tape on this logo, I think, that I can peel off. Yep. There's already so much dust on it. It seems like a real dust collector. The tempered glass and the plastic on the front seems like a real dust collector. Plug in my keyboard. I think this is the keyboard cord. Where's my mouse cord? I might as well plug in my camera too. Why not, right? So everything's plugged in. I'm going to hit the on switch. Bruh, I'm going to lose my brain. Why did this thing not turn on? Is there an on button? Brisky. You can't even see it from that side. I'm going to pull this back out a little bit. Oh, this is so scary. So I have it pulled out a little bit. I'm literally supporting it in my hand. So you can see everything up in there. Not quite, but, you know, the fans on the front are really nice. But it's crazy. I can't see. I'm so cheesed. I don't know if I should put it up here, but I think I'm just going to leave it in here. But I really want to be able to look inside. I want to put a little pop figure in there or something. It really looks nice. It really does look nice. Exactly what I expected. No liquid cooling. I'm a little bit worried about liquid cooling, so we just got the regular Intel fan on the processor over there. But let's just get right into setting this thing up computer-wise. So I've just plugged in the Ethernet from the back of the box, and I need a longer Ethernet so I can wire it along here and make it look nice and put this back behind my TV. But for now, it'll do just for the setup and stuff. I'll probably have one by tomorrow. I'm literally just going through all the user agreements and stuff for Windows 10. But in the meantime, I found this little remote and I figured out what it was for. So let's go green, purple, orange, another orange, yellow, green again. Oh, that's a weird green. It kind of looks, it's teal. It's literally teal, but on the button it doesn't say that. Light blue. But is this purple? It didn't change. It literally didn't change to purple. It changed to blue. And this is a lighter blue. But I really like the pink, and I think I'm going to leave it at that. I know it looks purple on here, and this does not look purple, so I'm just going to leave it on pink. It looks dope. It's going to really go with my, where's my other remote? It's going to really go with my RGB lights, if you guys seen that I set those up in my last video. Let's put it on purple. So that's on. These are on right now, and this is on. Oh, I think this is going to look really dope. I also set up this, this little mouse. I don't know if I could change the RGBs on this, but I'm definitely going to try to, because I really don't like the green look. It's alright, but I'm not really a fan of green. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in here, make sure all the drivers are up to date, check out what that disk is, and I'll hit you guys right back when I'm done that. So this is my gaming PC all set up, guys. There's the chair and all that. I'm going to have to move the monkey and find a better spot for it, because I do not know where to put it. Still haven't cleared out that cupboard, but I'll figure that out soon. I'm literally just downloading all my games right now and going through everything on that now that the setup's done. It literally took like 5 minutes. This was the fastest load up of a PC I've ever dealt with. This mouse actually just fades and changes random different colors, which I don't really mind because the keyboard's kind of doing the exact same thing. This computer honestly seems really nice. Like when I type things up right now, like when I'm on Google and stuff, let me sit down, let me show you guys. When I type things up, it actually comes up pretty quick. I keep reaching for my mouse up here even though it's down here. It's crazy. Okay, let's see. YouTube.com. I'm typing with one hand, so it's a little difficult for me. And it's honestly loading up really fast. Like, it's going into things really quickly. Like, usually that would take me a minute on my laptop. It would take way longer than that. It doesn't have any, speakers set up to it, so I'm gonna have to definitely, like, use my mic over there and all that to set up on here so that I can hear everything going on. I'm definitely gonna get a little gaming headset. It's got a few ports up here, so I can figure that out. But look how dusty this thing has already gotten. It's literally been sitting here for like 5 seconds. Anyways, it looks really nice. I wish I can kind of see the inside, but I really don't mind now that I know it actually fits in the space. I'm going to put all my wires in that little compartment like I said before. I'm definitely going to run a couple games on here, but not in this video because I'm sure some people don't want to see that. It's running really nice. I got my two remotes for my RGBs up here. One of them's actually for my actual RGB lights and the other one's for these. But honestly, overall, I'm really satisfied. I finally got my whole gaming set complete. My chair and all. That's it for today's video, guys. I'm definitely going to do some more gaming videos and stuff like that now that I got my entire setup set up. Now that I got my whole setup all put together, that's a better way of putting it. I do have another gaming chair coming in to put right here because my girlfriend plays a lot of Xbox from here. So she can do her thing over here. I'm probably going to unbox that one too because it's a different company. So I can do a review and kind of compare the two. I think hers might be a little better, but I'm not sure. Who really knows, right? So I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like my videos, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll definitely reply to any comment below. And that's it for today. I'll catch you guys next time.
Wow, dripping, sauce. Said that I really want, leaning, wow. Be what you sipping, huh? Post up, out front. See all my goons in the yard, in the cut. What you want? You ain't want enough from my squad. Double up. Be what you got in your cup, huh? Load that.